Fear all over Bola Tinubu's face as Niger Delta militant group asked Nigeria to reject APC presidential candidate Tinubu to avoid fry pan to fire. Niger Delta group warns Nigerian voters. South militant group, the Reformed Niger Delta Avengers (RONDA), and is now affiliated, has warned Nigeria to storm the ruling All Progressive Congress APC presidential candidate Bola Tinubu during the 2023 general election to avoid a fry pan to fire situation. This was stated in a release by the group saying a vote for APC is a death trap, that it will only unleash more suffering and more economic hardship on Nigerians. The militants made the declaration at an emergency meeting convened by the group General Commander Officer John Mark AB, aka Obama, along with the leadership of the other 9 militant groups that make up the RONDA in the deep grip of Niger Delta. He said, "We do not also trust other political candidates, from Bola Tinubu of the APC to Kwankwaso of NNPP, Peter Obi of Labour Party, and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar of the PDP. Therefore, we come out to warn Nigerians. We also call on all Nigerians to be wise, not to fall into the fire from fry pan which they are now, which they do not have any option than to do anything humanly possible to vote out APC comes February 25th. The South militant group, the Reformed Niger Delta Avengers (ROND), tells Nigeria.